Okwifo muwa na go na ifa onwo okwife na cho Okwifo onye na go na oku at the age of 44 alugo minister lucha pona government in the World Bank for now puna government they are there recruit about government of Nigeria send them World Bank okwa competition international competition KML Wesim Nanga compete Lilibudi, the president of the World Bank, Ogawa, and Akwa World 4 weeks. Wesim Nafa identify them that na Nga is suitable, he compete with the rest of the world for that position. I can see wage competition, even World Bank vice president. I hear see that competition. Fasino Muge Alulilinya Bolumu and Nyanga, Namamanlo, Namakari, Washington DC. I am my young, we put away chair. At the age of 44, Alusiko mi fega alona government. Okay, na kwadi chenyabu World Bank. Government is sote government loan. Yabam President Yaradua, yabam simeje na World Bank. Mo not cannot in a cabinet. Yansina mala alu. Sina mama alu. Because it was see where some upon values. Inge amara metunge si wetin ya. Enwem strength of character. Before Abuna Nkwetena, Nkeme Kweterone, Equeterom, if I spag again, you will go take a chem niru, Muamange on, Equeterom, Uname Quetero. So, Abuna Masi, Name Mego 6.5 years, na government, Namachori no more, na government, Emegom that decision. So, Equeterom, Nchebe Washington. Can no Washington, government on Zambia, hey, what's him? Government on Zambia, Fayokwa Mumonata. Kambia do all na government so na maralu so onye efo aboko onwo kwefe na cho enego manya we si kedu ka ogesi we bulu na Nigeria ebe muwa we ike ije public school dị na Nigeria oge no na government one of the responsibilities enyemu bụ the last responsibility mmebo Ibu Minister of Education or one no chatano. Okay, well, when I got to education and I saw the mess that was education, I was sad. I was sad. Initially, I had been angry that the president pulled me out of solid minerals where we had done such an amazing number of reforms and we were coming to the end of the reforms. And the international community was beginning to come into Nigeria to ask for data on our solid mineral potentials. And the new system of licensing that we had innovated, that was transparent, no longer discretionary way of allocating licenses, was working. And I wanted to see this whole thing just work so well. But President Obasanjo decided he will go to education. And when I got to education, I was angry to go there. But when I saw the state of education in the country, I picked a different kind of anger. I said, this thing, we must overhaul it. And when we started to get the data to show how bad things were, and we showed the nation, and we said to the nation, we must change education. Because no matter what you do, if you don't get your education right, you will never be a Singapore. It was education that made a difference. For Singapore, education made Singapore to have the best human capital that you can imagine anywhere in the world. And that best human capital is what made Singapore to become a developed society today. A society that US, you know that US goes to Singapore to get their lesson in sciences for the children of America. Because the Singaporeans are beating everybody when it comes to sciences. That is how great education can be. So when I got to education, I began to work on those reforms with my team. And we worked so hard on the reforms. And what remained needed to just continue to be done by a next government. The next government came in. And when the minister was asked, what is your vision for education? Journalists here, what is your vision for education? Sifano, now my vision is to reform as a Wesley's reforms. So, Igamanu, Aburi Famu, Mamu, because at that time, I forgot no more way. And the man so would not find out to go in a crisis. And the only thing that go for time, we make sure that now you are about children not at the same difficulty. Because every year I now add 3% to population high. So when they get a fixed education and they increase the number of people gathered without quality education. When our society a way quality public education, Onya never like Kamwaya Kaliam. Onya never like Kamwaya Kaliam. No, yes. Out of Gomo Kaliam. None of farmer Kalim except my form where quality education. And the farmer where quality education, farmer where quality health, except me where quality leadership. Onya Kaijibia. Can you go no nene Pusinaya Nazu? Una doesn't ask no Basatarono or Basalono. Uno well the power. The citizen has the greatest power. Bikono.